In this video, we'll show you how to replace the vapor canister purge solenoid valve in your Ford Edge. This is located in the rear of the vehicle, right above the differential. Let's get started. Looking right above the differential, we'll find our vapor canister. Looking towards the back side, we have this valve right here. That's the valve we need to remove. We'll go ahead and press in on the tab and release the electrical connector. You're going to make sure to check your terminals for any damage or corrosion. Now we can turn the valve in a clockwise direction and pull it out. Now we can get this lined up in the same orientation as the one we removed. We'll push it in and we will turn it counterclockwise to lock it down. We get the electrical connector plugged in. Make sure it's fully seated, not going to pull back out. Start up the vehicle and make sure you don't have a check engine light. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.